Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to fix buffering on Firestick. Let's go. Open network. Choose your network. Run speed test. Check the connection speed. Buffering occurs due to low speed. If the speed is low, then the problem is with your internet provider. Step 2. Open Settings, Applications, Manage installed apps. Choose VPN apps. Force close. Forcibly close all VPNs. After that, restart the device. That's it. Now you know how to fix buffering on Firestick. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.